In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover LastPass master password. We'll walk through what you can do from inside your vault to regain control, either by changing your master password to something new or by reverting a recent change. This approach is for situations where you can open your vault and want to fix an access issue or undo a password update that isn't working for you. Start by going to the LastPass vault in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Account Settings. Depending on your layout or theme, this may appear as a gear icon labeled Account Settings. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the full labels. Inside Account Settings, open the General section. This is where LastPass keeps core preferences for your account. Scroll until you find the area labeled Master Password. This section gives you direct control over the password that unlocks your entire vault, so read any on-screen notes carefully before making changes. If you don't immediately see the master password area, keep scrolling within General. Interface updates can sometimes shift panels slightly, but it will be there. Now choose the action that fits your situation. If you simply need to set a new master password, click Change Master Password. Use a long, memorable passphrase that you have not used anywhere else. Aim for a mix of words or characters that make sense to you but are hard to guess, and avoid personal details or common phrases. Remember that your master password protects the encryption of your data, so stronger is better. Once you set the new one, store it safely using a method you trust, such as a secure offline record. If you recently changed your master password and it's causing trouble, look for the option to revert master password change. Clicking this will roll your account back to the previous master password if the revert option is still available. This is especially helpful when a new password isn't sticking across devices or you realize you won't remember it long term. After you choose either change or revert, follow the on-screen prompts. LastPass may ask for confirmation before it applies the update. When it's done, expect your other devices and browser extensions to request your current master password the next time they sync. That's normal and ensures everything stays secure. With that, you've recovered control over your LastPass master password from within your vault.